11:03 hip abs.
What's that song called?
What song?
That song. This song is playing.
It's just musical.
Come on, let's go.
It's a musical, buddy.
How are we getting it dry now?
Okay, you'll dry up quick.
How am I gonna dry now?
What's that? What are you getting, Noah?
Pizza, babe.
Pizza.
Always getting
We have
pizza.
mozzarella stick too. What's that in your
I'm gonna
head?
get a drink too.
Daddy, look. May ano siya, sipon sa ano niya.
Got sipon. Noah got sipon.
In your ano,
Come on.
I'm looking at the boat.
Can you go underwater? I'm gonna record you. Ready, set, go. Oh, go all the way down. Go all the way down.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Look here. What can you say about this pool?
It's great.
Great. How come you're not playing with the other kids? Take your shirt off?
No thanks.
Okay. See the sunset, Noah? Getting deeper.
Mommy's gonna see us.
Mommy can't see us anymore because we're so far. Look at the sunset. Oh, so cool. I can see.
Anything like mommy.
Because we're so far from the beach. Why were you in sand mode? Uh-oh. You're in sand mode.
You wanna see that video again in your phone?
We can't, we're in the water. It'll be later. Yeah, later in the room.
Ah! You're holding it.
Ito, ito tayo.
Kala ko tatal. Ako ba yan? Ikaw sa kanya.
No, you're not gonna stay. Let go of mommy. Let go of mommy.
He doesn't want to go.
Oh, perfect.
He doesn't want to go.
Bitaw mo. Noah, hey. Calm down. Stop screaming. It's so Nobody. Noah, stop. Noah, stop it. Stop.
Unusual happens, I would say. Do you guys see anything? Because I can't. I literally don't care what it is. It could even be a cross.
Mommy.
Technically don't naturally generate, but I've seen absolutely nothing. Maybe all those emails I got were just, spam emails or some sort of virus. Nothing happened. I was getting told.
Here's my love. Here's my love, my love, my love.
Oh, this is like my 20 millionth time today looking at this mountainside. This sucks. Wait, is that the lightning strike there? Where did that come from? Where'd that lightning strike go? Bro, okay, the lightning would have left behind fire. Do you guys see any? I literally can't see any fire on the terrain. I heard it pretty loudly. It must have been nearby, but I don't understand. The only fire is there in the room portal.
No, he doesn't understand.